Now turn your waistline again to the left side completely. Inhaling, raise your head, neck and chest up. Exhaling again, similarly, slowly, gently bend your head, neck, chest down, down till your spine is parallel to the mat. Keep pulling yourself forward and upwards. Now from here, very slowly, gently bend forward. Bring your forehead close to the knees. This is called as Parshvottanasana. Parshva means side. Uttana is stretch. So this is a side stretch. Now inhaling, slowly, gently raise your head, neck and chest up. Turn your waistline to the center. Take your left foot in, right foot out. Now release both the arms. Come back to the center, Tadasana. Now this Parshvottanasana is very good to strengthen the thighs, pelvic muscles and strengthen the knee joints also. And it is very good to increase the flexibility in the spine. Mobilizes the fat around the waistline and very good for the abdominal muscles. Now from here we'll start with the Surya Namaskaras. Now come to the beginning of the mat. Roll on your shoulders back and down. Join your palms, Namaskaram in front of your chest. 1. Inhale, exhale. Namaskarasana in Tadasana. Now inhale, raise your head, neck and chest up. Bend your upper part of the body completely back. Ardha Chakrasana. Now slowly, gently exhaling, straighten your spine. Now again exhaling, bend forward from your hips. Keep pulling yourself forwards. Now from the hips, bend down. Bring your head, neck, chest down. Padahastasana, third posture. So here exhale. Now you can hold your ankle joints with your hands. Pull yourself downwards. Bring your forehead close to the knees. Now from Padahastasana, fourth posture, take the right leg back, left leg front, Ashwasanchalasana. Now roll on your shoulders back and down, let the chest be expanded. Both the palms beside your left leg, the right leg back, lift your spine up and look in the front. Ashwasanchalasana, fourth posture, inhale. Observe all the stretch in your leg. Now slowly, gently, from here take the left leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. So here head, neck, chest, hips should be in a straight line. Now see that your hips don't go up or they don't go down, but it should be in the straight line. Chaturanga means 4 angas. So both the palms and both the toes are on the mat. Now from here we'll go with the next one, sixth posture. Bring the knees down, come to the tabletop posture. Now from here bring the chest down between both the palms. Now chin on the mat, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. So here the chin is on the mat, both the palms, the chest, both the knees and both the toes. So 8 parts of the body are touching the mat. So here inhale and exhale. Now from here, see that you touch all the parts of your body on the mat. Now slowly, gently push yourself forward and upwards. Sarpasana or the Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Here also your chest should expand. Roll on your shoulders back and down. Raise your head, neck and chest up. Look up at the ceiling. Now here you are inhaling or Sarpasana. 7th one. Now from here again raise your hips back, tabletop posture. Now from here take your knees up, hips up. Put the foot completely flat on the mat. 8th one, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Here exhale. See that you put the weight of your body on the palms and especially on the heels of your legs. Now pull your ankle joints, calf muscles, knee joints up. Pull your thigh muscles in. Pull your pelvic muscles, tummy muscles in. Now elongate your neck. Don't compress your neck. Try to bring your head as close as possible to the mat. Now elbows straight, putting all the weight on your palms. Adho Mukha Svanasana or the downward facing dog posture. Exhale. 8th posture. Now from here we'll go with the 9th posture. Bring the right leg front between both the palms. Left knee on the mat and look straight. Ashwasanchalasana, 9th one. Inhale. Now 10th one. Take the left leg also front. Padahastasana. Exhale. Bend your head, neck, chest down. Bring your forehead close to your knees. Now again inhale. Raise your head, neck and chest up. Bend your upper part of the body back. 11th one. Now 12th one. Bend your head, neck, chest forward. Straighten your spine. Now Namaskarasana in Tadasana. 12th one. Exhale and relax. We'll do one more complementary round. 1. Namaskarasana. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Ardha Chakrasana. Inhale. Now 3. People who have neck pain, back pain, please don't bend forward completely. Stay till here only. Now others can bend completely forward. Padahastasana. Exhale. 4th one. Ashwasanchalasana. Now we'll take the left leg back. The complementary posture. Right leg front. So here inhale. Ashwasanchalasana. 4th posture. Now if you have very severe knee pain, then you can skip this posture. Now from here again take the right leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Here you have to exhale. Now from here Ashtangasana. Inhale, exhale. 6th posture. Now pull yourself forward and upward. Sarpasana or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Now 8th one. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale or the downward facing dog posture. Now from here bring the left leg front between both the palms. Take the right leg back. Straighten your spine. Ashwasanchalasana. Inhale. 9th posture. Now 10th one. Bring the right leg also front. Padahastasana. Exhale. Now inhale. Raise your head, neck and chest up. Ardha Chakrasana. Now again exhale, straighten your spine, Namaskarasana, relax. Okay,